Hi everyone, today's semi-final day and I'm really excited for that. But before we go to watch football, we have to go for demonstration. We have demonstration for Dal, and for that I'm getting ready. So yeah, this is going to be my cap. I need to buy new one. I want to buy this one, royal blue color. Let's see. Here I have this scarf. I'm going to tie this like this. Like this. It will protect me from sun and people as well, because today I don't know who else will go, but if I'll be alone, then I need to hide myself so that I can share with confidence. Otherwise there will be lots of people with live streaming, vlogging and all. No, I don't want to come in their vlogs like whatever. That's why this is how I'm going for Dal demonstration, and this is how I'm going to watch football. So everyone, let's get going, otherwise we'll be late. गर्मी त यस्तो डरलाग्दो गरम छ कि सिरियसली, इट्स सो हट. कहिले आउने? नोभेम्बर, अक्टोबर, नोभेम्बर. लेट्स गो. There it is. Or sorry, the day. टुकड़ा टुकड़ा हो गया. Guys, we have made it here. Not exactly. We still have some walking to do. I'm sweating. We have been booked and busy ever since this year started, and I don't think our field work is getting over anytime soon. The only thing is my work profile is solid, okay? I've done everything. Literally everything. Now I'm interested in floriculture.
निकै राम्रो रहेछ नि भ्यू निकै राम्रो.
जुन येल्लो भएको चाहिँ उम्रिन्छ,
कालो चाहिँ भएन.
यो कालो चाहिँ उम्रिँदैन.
कालो चाहिँ पिस.
सबैकोमा प्रोडक्सन पनि हुन्छ गोड्नु र
खोइ म भर्नु नि साँच्चै गएन.
अन्त यो अब त्यो डेमो गरेको
यहाँ त्यो बन्द गरेर राखेको पछि के हुन्छ कुहिन्छ.
Guys, we only got half information. We thought it's a demonstration for this Dal only, but trading for biofertilizer and biopesticide as well. So it took us some time. It's already 1:33. Google Maps was supposed to start from 1:30 and it's already 1:33. So on the top of that, it's raining. Hopefully today we'll make it to something. Do you think I'll make it to some on time so that I can cheer for Surin's team? I've been really excited, okay? That's why my plan is always getting flopped. I shouldn't be excited about anything in life. That's how it gets ruined. Guys, we have made it here, and this is called Pass On, not Passion also, it's called Pass On. See? Let's go and find my people now. What? No! Guys, today I thought I won't shout again, but I keep on shouting. Come on! Yeah, there you go. I keep on shouting. Here is my so many people. Half time. I thought I won't shout, okay, but I keep on shouting, that's why hiding my face down. Shouting like anything. Chicken! We won. यस्तो बिजोगले पानीमा भिजेर आएको के फाइदा भयो? I got to enjoy the match. So yes. अब भित्र जग्गा पानीमा फेरि यहाँ हो. Very happy. Are you happy? Are you guys happy? हाम्रो हालत हेरौँ नि. Adidas. Okay, we'll be moving out because everyone is wait, okay? सबैजना पानीले भिजेछ. अब ऊ त्यो उसको हातमा छ. Let's go home now. See you on 15th of August. Bye bye. President Saab. So. Time to eat pan. कति महिनाको बाद खाएछ भयो.
अब एक हप्तामा त हालिदिन्छु भने
भाइले बनाइदिएको पान मिठो रहेछ नानी गइ चाहिँ
पायो गाडी वर्किङ स्टक तेरो कस्तो डर त तेरो खुट्टा त जान रुकिङ भइसक्यो उब्रेको अन्त we stop here to buy beef because so heavy we are a beef person and guys from tomorrow I have to go for field work. Tomorrow I field work. Hopefully day after tomorrow we'll get to stay. If they won't allow also I'll stay because day after tomorrow is 15 August. The only thing I'm worried about is not about the study. घर पुगे थाकिहाल्छ फिल्डको बेला त Bye bye. Now we are done with everything. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Wow. Ahora contra ti yes, yes, Bumpo, yes. So nice of my brother. He let me sit here. So